Top 5 home espresso machines. Whether you're going away for a few hours, a few weeks, a few days, space and weight are major factors when selecting your travel equipment. ESPRESSO has been designed to be the smallest, lightest, and most versatile handheld espresso machine. Equipped with a powerful frother, the Mr. Coffee 4-cup steam espresso creates a rich espressos and whip up your lattes and cappuccinos to light, frothy perfection. Brew 20 ounces of espresso into easy-to-pour glass decanter from custom serving sizes from 1 to 4 cups. Its stay cool handle and drip-free spout make it easy to brew your favorite drinks without mess or hassle. And a removable froth aids lets you capture the impressive coffee house presentation every time. Mr. Coffee's automatic dual-shot espresso and cappuccino machine creates authentic, bold espresso drinks whenever and how you want them. The removable 40-ounce water reservoir makes filling easy. The thermal block heating system heats water fast, and the 15-bar pump system brews rich, cream-top espresso with impressive results. Choose a single or double shot portafilter for serving size options. When a cappuccino or latte order is up, use the frother to quickly steam milk up to creamy finish. The Redzone portable coffee maker is extremely compact, very simple to use, and is extremely fast. With this little and lightweight machine, you never have to be without coffee, no matter where you might be. Compared to other portable espresso makers in the market, it always produces rich, tasted espresso which achieves golden extraction rate coffee by using great pressure. Up to 15 bars of pressure, you can brew hot water through the favorite ground coffee. It's also available to be applied to capsules. The Redzone espresso maker does quick and fast and produces great flavor with less bitterness and acidity than you would think possible. With the Barista Express by Breville, you can create great tasting espresso in less than a minute. The Barista Express allows you to grind coffee beans right before extraction, and its interchangeable filters and a choice of automatic or manual operation ensure authentic cafe-style results in no time at all. Special features of the Barista Express includes dose control grinding, precise espresso extraction, microfoam milk texturing, and grind size dial.